Wish you a very good morning to all. So in our biology, we would like to go for the chapter number 4, that is animal kingdom. Now, this type of chapter we have already gone through in a brief introduction in 9th standard, if you know that. The plant and animal. Plant tissue, animal tissue, that you might have gone through. And now, in this video today, I want to go further, explain in detail about the animal kingdom. So that we will see, first of all, it must be categorized how the classification is done. So Carl Linnaeus, you know that he has given the classification of each and every organism. So Carl Linnaeus, the father of classification, we can say that. So here some animal kingdom, the plant kingdom, that will be also continued by the side. So I am taking animal kingdom. So in this, first of all, what is an animal? So here generally animals are multicellular and they are heterotrophic organism without cell wall and chlorophyll. So important thing is that when we discuss about animals, animals are multicellular because they have millions of cells. They have thousands, crores of cells. They are heterotrophic. They depend on other. They are not autotrophic. Like a plants, if you consider them, they are autotrophic. But animals are heterotrophic. They depend on other, and they do not have cell wall. So they are without cell wall. Cell wall only observed in the plants, and they do not have chlorophyll because we are heterotrophic. If we are autotrophic, we have chlorophyll, but we are heterotrophic. That is why cell wall is not there and chlorophyll is not there. Chlorophyll pigments are not there. Okay, so there is a difference. What are animals, or what is an animal? Generally, we can define like this. Animal is a multicellular and they are heterotrophic and do not have cell wall and chlorophyll. So how we can define this? Now here different major classification of kingdom, the phyla of the kingdom, animalia. The word we are using for the animals, that is animalia, the class, the main kingdom, that is animalia. Now here 11 major phyla of kingdom animalia is there. We'll remember in the sequential form: Porifera, Cinalia, C is silent, we can Linealia also, or Cinalia also we can speak. Then C, Ctenophora, or C you can keep as silent. Then Platyhelminthes, Esculenthes, Annelida, Arthropoda, Mollusca, Echinodermata, Hemichordata and Chordata. So these are the main 11 phyla of the animalia. So here Porifera, Linealia, Ctenophora, Platyhelminthes, Esculenthes, Annelida, Arthropoda, Mollusca, Echinodermata, Hemichordata and Chordata. So these are the 11 phyla of animalia. So that we need to remember. Now here the basic of the classification, on what basis the animals or animalia group is classified. So here some different levels of organization. You will see when we discuss any animal or any group. First is physical organization. So there is a levels of organization. Then body symmetry, whether they are bilateral or semilateral. So symmetrical body or non-symmetrical body. So that is body symmetry. Then germinal, that is embryonic layers, embryonic development. How the embryonic development is carried out in animals. Then coelom, labels. First, cell, tissue, organ, and organism. So these are the four levels of organization. There is a level of organization. Next, if you see the cellular level of organization, tissue level of organization, organ level of organization, and organ system of the organization. So here we can start. The cells are arranged as loose cell aggregates. That example we can take as a polyphyla. Cells are arranged into tissues, that is nidarians and tenophones. Then organs level organization. The tissues are arranged into group organs. Higher animals, that is petalithus and chordates, and organs are associated with the organ system, that is higher animals, generally honeybee and that we can consider. The levels of the organization. Organ system of different animals show complexities because different systems are different in different animals. How in our system it is different, in cockroach it is different, in other higher animals it is different. So that is also one of the thing. The digestive system, it is two types. One which is complete digestive system, which is second is incomplete. If it is complete, it has two open rings, mouth and anus. If incomplete, it has only a single opening that acts as a mouth and anus, that is nidaria and lateral lentis. So that very much important. So here, up to here I want to discuss. In our coming video presentation, we will go for the further study that is about classification of animals on the different basis. So up to here we will stop.